Hello guys, this is Shara. So today we are unboxing this new soldering iron which I've ordered. Let's get started. Okay, we have the iron here, as you can see. Here we have the sponge, little sponge, and this stand. Let's see what's beneath this. We have to have this in a manual, which we don't need because I've already understand how it works and checked it once at the time of the delivery, of course. So let's just keep this aside. So now we will check out this stance afterwards. I'm gonna keep it here. Now let's get back to this is cut, and now let's see. This is the soldering iron. Cool. Okay, this is the tip. I think I could show you this on camera, maybe. If not, it's clearly mentioned here. It's, I think, C325. Yeah. So now let's just plug it in and turn it on. So I here have a 65-watt charger. It's plugged in, as you can see. It's saying press to turn on. I pressed on. It's to 450. It's set. How rapidly it's heating up, you can see here, like a boom. It's now its maximum temperature. Okay, now let's just bring it back down to around 350. I've set it to 350 now. Now let's just let it cool down to 350. I will check out this too. So it's a bezel type of thing, as you can see. This one is bent to get in the corners. Let's check this. Now it's 350. This is smell some solder to check this out. Yeah, it's just melting it. Okay, it's working. Oops. Here we have the spot. Shit. So yeah, it's melting it very quickly, as you can see here. Rapidly. Now let's just clean it here. Now it's cleaned, as you can see. We need some water, so I'm just gonna, I don't have any water at this time, so let's just take some ice out of my coffee and just pour some here. Sure, it will work. it's working. So much coffee over here. You can clean it up. Just dry up very fast. And now it's properly cleaned, as you can see. Now I need to just throw this ice away. Now let's check it on some perf board first. Here we have a few soldering marks already there. Let's try it. Yeah, it's working. It's working very good. Big block. The big block takes a second to get good contact, but it works very well. It's currently at 350. Now let's check some components. I have some off components here. Let's just solder some diodes. See what's this all. So now here we have a diode. Now we're gonna solder it. Let's see how it handles. Yeah, it handles very nicely. It's at just 350 and it's doing pretty great. Yeah, it's well soldered, as you can see. Now just clean the tip. And the foam clean it's better than this wool mesh. I don't think it's do much thing. Yeah, let's just turn it off and just wait for it to cool down, I guess. So we can change the bed. Check it out. Bye bye. Thank you. I just was supposed to be like this all the time. It's me. No problem. Bye bye.